Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a e-ink screen tablet product from Huawei, the Huawei Matepad paper. This is a e-ink reader, and as we can see, it have a very nice display performance and the 10.3-inch high display resolution ink e-ink screen is better and bigger, actually much bigger than the Kindle. And when I hand it on my hand, I will see that the thickness 6.65 mm and the length 182 mm and weight 305 grams is very acceptable. Actually, to compare with the Kindle Paperwhite, is a bit heavy, but it's lighter than the ninth generation iPad because the design is much scientifically. I will say it not feel very heavy, and when we use it, we can feel that the 10.3-inch e-ink screen is very nice. So the PPI is 227 is a bit lower than the Kindle Paperwhite 300 PPI, but it's better than the iPad 264 PPI. As you can see, when you swipe it or you touch it, the sensitive is very nice. And also the e-ink display resolution 1823 2272 by 1404, and also this time they also use Harmony OS. And also for the chips, they use the Huawei Kirin A20E 5G SoC and 64GB RAM plus 128GB ROM. And also the batteries have a 3625 mAh big battery with. Look here, more pictures about the Huawei Matepad paper. Let's enjoy it.